helping everyone. It is Naughty Spider. Sorry for that big ass robe over there. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel again. On this episode, I'm going to be working on my fairy lights that I had mentioned on my previous video. So I will be finishing up my fairy lights. I did the flowers and the petals. So now I just need to work on sewing them onto the stem, onto the light, and then I will be showing you the final result. So excuse my dogs, they're always barking. They're like, I have 3 dogs, so they're like always fighting and like just barking and making hell noise. Going to be working on scheduling some posts. That way my social media can be up to date with the products that I have. I also been working on taking new photos of my merchandise because I noticed that the previous photos that I was using were just not doing it. So I've been just retaking photos. I will be working on my shops right now to make them look nice, update the photos of my shops, and then I will be working on that fairy light. So if you want to continue to watch, this is behind the scenes, a little behind the scenes moment. My hair is a little toasted, dude. I hate when it's all toasted and it's not even that toasted. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, now I look like fucking, I don't know, dog. I look like some cartoon that I've seen. Maybe I should do it back. I'm sorry. Anyways, if you want to keep on watching. Like I said, I'm gonna be working on a few things. So yeah, stay tuned.
Where are you? Like where you gone? Another prayer. And the things that you do, I've seen the one before. Still don't know what's up with meddling in my mind. Being a man today. No, it ain't the same. Being a man today. No, it ain't the same. No, it ain't the same.
What's up, guys? It is officially Sunday. I'm back to working on the fairy lights. Sorry if it's super loud. They're watching the Minions. But yeah, guys, let's get to work. I woke up really late today, and I shouldn't have, because I did want to work on a few things. But I had a good night last night. You know, it was my brother's birthday, and I just stayed up taking fireworks with my family. Well, they were. I was just watching. Yeah, it's pretty good. And I went to sleep super late, so now I'm here. I'll just work on my fairy lights, finish it up so I can finally post it, sell it, and show you guys the final results. But I'm almost done. Excuse me. What is up, guys? I am officially done with my fairy lights. Yes! flowers. I already put on the plants on it, or the leaves, whatever you want to call it. So they are looking precious, guys. Like, look. Check this out. Booyah. Look at that. Let me like put this right here. Look at this, guys. I am so impressed. Honestly, it took me some time to make this. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. Or it's easy, it just took time. I thought it was going to be like a faster process, but maybe because it is something new that I had to learn, that it did take a little bit longer than usual. But I'm going to start taking pictures, and I will be posting it and selling it in my TikTok shop and my Etsy shop. If you don't know where you can find my shop at, either you can go and check out the link on my bio, my link tree. It has all my socials there. If not, same name at Naughty Spider. But look at this, guys. Oh my god, I loved it. So yeah, guys, you watched this entire video. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate that. If you did not, then we have some problems here. I'm gonna start taking pictures. That way I can upload them like I said, and I could start selling them. Super excited for that. So I will be working on that right now. And then after this, I will be working on my new order that I got. So I'll be working on that new order. And then tomorrow, I'm finally gonna start working on other things. And yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes, you know. But thank you so much for watching. If anything, goodbye. I'll show you some pictures that I take right now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys, please. It'll help my channel out. I'm a small business crochet artist here, and I would love some support. It was a pleasure making this video, making this project. I love it. I can't wait. I have more ideas on what to make with lights, so I will be keeping you guys updated on that, and I will be working on more cool projects. Thank you so much for supporting me. I will be showing some of my pictures and the final results.